Hello and welcome to PC Mag's coverage of CES 2022. I'm Tom Brandt, and with me is Eric Ackerson from Acer, here to show us a really cool brief hands-on demo of the new Acer Swift X laptop, which has an ingenious 16-inch screen size and brand new graphics from Intel. Eric, what do we got here?
Hey, thanks for having me. So this is the new Swift X, like you mentioned, 16-inch screen. The model is SFX16-52G. The G stands for graphics. And in this configuration, which includes that 16-inch screen, a Core i5P processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, and the new Intel Arc GPU, excuse me. It's the DG2 SKU4. The important thing about this system, though, is that it's thin and light. Let's see if we can get it to show off here. It's part of the line that is dedicated to thin and light. The X about performance, and that's that graphics. So what a user would use this for is being ultra portable on the go and having the performance to do light photo editing, light video editing. It's not a replacement for a desktop.
We've seen a few similar systems in the past with that combination of Intel Arc graphics but this is the very latest Intel Silicon with paired with that 12th generation CPU. So it will be interesting to see. I don't expect that correct me if I'm wrong, but you're going to play intensive games on it. But you could probably do a little bit and then mainly use that GPU for rendering and things like that. Is that right?
Yeah, that sounds exactly right. And I think the other thing that I should mention out to your audience is that it's the Intel Evo certified. So it's the third generation of the Intel Evo, meaning very responsive, very fast, great battery life.
So this is the new 16-inch Swift X. Swift X has been around, but this specific configuration is brand new, launching at CES. When can we here in North America expect to get our hands on it?
So realistically, based on timing of products shipping and getting through ports and stuff, we're looking at mid-April.
Okay, well, thanks very much, Eric. And please stay tuned at PCMag.com for coverage of CES 2022 as it continues. Thanks very much for watching.